So today we're going to add and subtract fractions. So number 1/2 plus 3 over 2. So the first thing you need to do is to see if they have similar denominator. So in this one, the denominator is 2 and the denominator of the second addends is 2. So it's easy because they have similar denominator, which means they are similar fractions. So all you have to do is this: copy the denominator 2, 2, copy the denominator 2, and then add the numerators 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 over 2. And 4 over 2 in lowest form is, as what I have said previously, it's the same as 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Next, 3/4 minus negative 2 over 4. So again, they have similar denominator, which is 4. Because they have similar denominator, you can simply copy the denominator. 4. Copy 3 minus negative 2. So if it is minus, what you're going to do is change this to plus, and the sign of the second number would be changed into its opposite. So the sign, if it is negative, it will become positive. So 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 over 4, which is equal to 5 over 4. So that's easy because they are similar. How about if they don't have similar denominator, if they are dissimilar fractions? What are you going to do? That's the time that you're going to get the least common denominator. So the least common denominator, for you to get that, is we're going to write first the denominators 8 and 3. So 8, 3. So you're going to list all the multiples of 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32. Not all, but you may start with 5 multiples. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So we'll proceed with 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. You stop if there's a number in here which is also present in 8. So 12, 15, 18, there's no 18 yet, 21, 24. So we have 24 in here, we also have 24 in here. So the least common multiple, or the least common denominator, 4 over 8 minus 2/3 is 24. So what you're going to do is write 24. Instead of 8 or 3, you're going to write 24. So the next thing you're going to do is divide times. Divide times. Again, it will be divide times divide times. So 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 4. Or 24 divided by 8 times 3 minus, copy minus, 24 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3 times 2. I'm just going to write it there, but we're not going to write it later. So 24 divided by 8, I know, why did I write? It should be 4. 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 4, it's 12, minus 24 divided by 3, that's 8, times 2, it's 16 over 24. Because this is minus, you're going to change the minus to plus. The positive diba 16, magiging negative 16 over 24. So 12 plus negative 16, kasi positive ang isa, negative ang isa, so minus 16 minus 12, it's 4. Kopyahin mo ang sign ng mas malaking number. So ang 16 mas malaki, the sign is negative over 24. Can you still make this a simple fraction? It's in its simplest form. Anong number ang pwede makadivide sa 4 at saka 24? Yes, it's 4. So divide mo by 4, divide mo by 4. So 24 divided by, and negative 4 divided by 4, it's negative 1. And 24 divided by 4, it's 6. So the lowest term is negative 1 over 6. So for this one, so because they are dissimilar, so what you're going to do is look for the LCM. 7, 14, 21, 28. 4, 4, 8, there's none. 12, there's none. 16, there's none. 20, there's none. 24, there's none. 28, there is. So 28, the LCM is 28. Divide times 24 divided by 28 divided by 7, 4 times 6, 24. Copy plus 28 divided by 4, 7 times 3, 21. 24 plus 21, that's 45 over 28. Is there simpler form than this? None. So let's proceed with 2 minus 3/4. So 2 minus 3/4, they are still the similar fraction. Because if there is a number 2, which, again, kung 2, pwede mo gawing fraction by putting 1. Because 2 over 1 is also equal to 2. So 2 over 1 minus 3/4. So, ang LCM, kukunin mo from 1 and 4 because the denominators are 1 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 8. So the LCM is 4. Divide times 4 divided by 1, 4 times 2, 8 minus 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 8 minus 3, 5 over 4. So that's how it is. Next, 7 over 8 plus 1. So 7 over 8. So 7 over 8 plus, kapag whole number, lagyan mo lang ng 1 sa denominator. So, as we could see a while ago, na kung 4, 1 at saka 4, ang LCM is 4. So dito kung 1 at saka 8, ang LCM ay 8. Very good. 8. Divide times 8 divided by 8. 1 times 7, 7. Copy plus 8 divided by 1, 8 times 1, 8. So 7 plus 8, 15 over 8. Next, 2 and 1/4 minus 3 over 6. So in here, we have a mixed fraction. So the first thing you're going to do is change this to improper fraction. How are you going to change this? Times plus. Ang gagawin again is times plus. So, ganito. 2 and 1/4 times plus. 2 times 4, unahin mo dito, patang mo dyan. 2 times 4, it's 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Again, alam ba, 3 and 1/3 times plus. Unahin mo dito, sunod dyan. So 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10 over, kopyahin mo yung denominator, 3. Kopyahin mo yung denominator, 4. So for this one, it's 9 over 4 minus 3 over 6. So 4 and 6. 4, 8, 12. 6, 12. So the LCM is 12 equals to 12. Divide times 4 divided by 12 divided by 4 rather is 3 times 9, it's 27, minus 12 divided by 6, that's 2 times 3, it's 6. So 27 minus 6, 21 over 12. Can you make this simpler? Yes, divide both sides by. The greatest common factor is 3. So 21 divided by 3, 7. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. So 7 over 4. Next, 2/3 minus 1 and 1/2. So 1 and 1/2 times plus times plus 1 times 2, it's 2 plus 1, 3 over, kopyahin mo yan, 2. So, magiging 2/3 minus 3 over 2. 3 over 2. 3, 2. 3, 2. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, there is a 6. So, LCM is 6. Divide times. 6 divided by 3. 2 times 2. 4. Copy. Minus. 6 divided by 2. 3 times 4. Times 3. 9. So, 4 minus 9. Okay, 4 minus 9. Kasi minus, magiging plus. Positive ang 9, magiging negative. So, isa positive, isa negative, minus. 9 minus 4, 5. Sino mas malaki, 4 or 9? Si 9. Ang sign ni 9 is negative. So, negative over 6. Negative 5 over 6. So, that's the answer.